Within the hairdressing department, we contribute to the Welsh ethos by encouraging all students at all time to embrace the bilingual status in Wales. We encourage them to use their language skills as much as possible. We also encourage them as much as possible to write and do their assignment work within the medium of Welsh. The activities that we get involved with and involve their students are things like we look at our Welsh culture, so we look at our celebrities within Wales and icons. We get them to research these particular icons and then recreate hairstyles, makeup, look at their background, where they've developed from, and we specifically encourage the Welsh celebrities, for example, who actually speak Welsh and promote the use of the language.